Ogamba ki?
Twagala alieni. Tugenda bakuba. Twagala alieni, tugenda bakuba. Twagala alieni. Twagala alieni.
I need to tell that this matter is still in investigation stage. Earlier on, I actually informed court we are looking for 18 more. And you wanna, all the 18 more are headed by A1. So Your Worship, giving him bail will jeopardize the pending investigations. Your Worship, we had also informed court on the critical condition of the victim on count 2. And also informed court that there are some additional statements which are recorded on this file by the victims themselves. On the evidence which was initially presented. We have also been presented, a copy has been served on court with a scanned CT scan and a report in respect of the said Odong. Your Worship, we are informing court. The charge sheet tomorrow might not be what is actually before the court. We need to inform court and the accused person.
Bategeeza kkooti awamu n'abavunaanibwa nti emisango lwaliro gy'abagulibwako enkya giyinza okuba nga si gikyaliwo.
Your Worship, Council talked about reconciliation is being initiated or had been initiated. We have 2 victims who are actually in court, but I can assure court categorically that they have not been approached. And court can actually confirm with them to see which position is actually the truth.
Ategeeza kooti nti ababavunaana we bali mu kooti bagambye tewali n'omu yali abatuukiridde kooti bw'eba eyagala esobola okukakasa okuva gye bali.
Your Worship, we have actually seen how court is already. No, let me just withdraw that. If the accused person, especially A1, is granted bail, Your Worship, there will be interference with their ongoing investigations that have actually elaborated to court that it's still underway.
Your Honor, liberty of the accused person is part of democracy. And this honorable court acts on democracy, and court should overrule state's prayers basing on the allegations. Your Honor, state further objected the bail application on grounds that A1 leads a group of people among which the 18 are still at large. Your Honor, those are just allegations. She has not provided proof for that unless she takes oath and then she witnessed on that. Your Honor, the accused person being a leader, a musician, and is a Ugandan citizen. It would be mature, and it would be of good justice that he is granted bail, and is a parent of 3. He's also a husband, and is a public figure within our country. So, Your Honor, the allegations of him interfering with the state's investigations Your Honor, that is just said to deny the accused person's bail, since for them cannot abscond that being public figures in the country.
What have you responded in respect to interference with the investigations? What is your response to that? Being a public figure does not mean you're not going to interfere.
No, I said court shall not deal with allegations, since it's not the practice of this honorable court. And such are just baseless allegations. And we would pray that if the land state attorney could testify on that as a witness, other than just setting up mere allegations before this honorable court. Your Honor, we still maintain our prayer that bail be granted to the accused persons, and preferably non-cash bail.
You're setting the conditions.
No, preferably. I'm just going in court. Court may take the guidance or not. Preferably non-cash bail. I so pray.
The complainants in the other cases
Cancel your factors.
this is another issue.
You know what to do. You know what to do on factors.
Want to go? Yeah, my friend. Get out of the way. Want to go? Give us way. Excuse us. Yeah. Yeah, for us way. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Haya, you go there. It's good. Commander, separate them. We are going with okay. You put that on. You have another anchor? You have the key. No, you can unlock this one. This one will sit behind. Where is your team? Let your team cover. Hello, you board. Yeah, let's go.
Where's the senior justice? He's going with him.
Nani, same time.
You're going with him.
Where's JP? Commander. Julia, welcome. Where's JP? You had it with JP. Where am I? Okutwala. Open!
Banda. Come on, Chibanda. Woo! Blood. Oyo gamba ki?
Twagala alieni. Tugenda bakupa. Twagala alieni.